Even in clean environments, hidden damage can occur to pumps. Sediment passing through this pump caused cavitation, leading to localized damage and affecting efficiency. The pump was grit blasted. Surface profile prepared to specification. Salt contamination was identified. A full salt wash was carried out, tested and then grit blasted again until levels were acceptable. The appropriate areas are then masked out with tape. Belzona 1311 was then mixed and applied to damaged areas and rebuilt back to OEM conditions. A two-coat system of Belzona 1321 was then applied, relining the internal body, smoothing flow paths and protecting against future damage. The result: improved efficiency, long-term protection, reduced maintenance. A cost-effective solution, delivered with minimal disruption. Belzona, keeping your assets performing at their best.